Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to identify the top view of a cylinder. So at first, let us draw a cylinder. Okay, I have to draw freehand only. So pardon me for my bad drawing. So this is a cylinder, okay? This is a cylinder. Now we have been asked to find the top view of a cylinder. So basically any 3D figure can be broken down into three fundamental views, that is top view, front view and cross sectional view. So in the front view, if you see the cylinder directly from the front, then you will observe it in the form of a rectangle. So this is the front view. And suppose you see it from the top, then on the top you will only observe a circle, that is the head of the cylinder. So the top view will be a circle. Pardon me for my bad drawing, let me use the shapes. Okay, so this will be the top view of the cylinder. Yeah, so this is the top view. So front view will be a rectangle, top view will be a circle. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.